Welcome to Syncly. Today, we're exploring the core of Syncly, project management. Let's dive into how you can efficiently organize and track your projects using our robust tools. First, let's head to the Projects section. Syncly offers 4 different views to manage your projects: active, not started, completed, and canceled. This allows you to keep your projects organized based on their current status. Simply add the project start date, duration, and set its priority. You can also specify the project type, ensuring that every detail is tailored to your workflow. One of Syncly's powerful features is the ability to link your project to related tasks, resources, events, and notes. This integration ensures that all elements of your project are interconnected, providing a seamless workflow. Each project also allows for file attachments, so you can keep all relevant documents in one place. Whether it's a proposal, timeline, or project blueprint, everything you need is just a click away. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Syncly tutorials. Let's continue to elevate your productivity together.